Now, extremely severe cyclone Taukte unleashed devastating winds that reached speeds of up to 190 kilometers an hour as the storm made landfall in Gujarat, damaging structures, electricity lines and uprooting trees. Cyclone Taukte is the biggest to hit the region in decades. It made landfall in Gujarat at around 8:30 p.m. Last night, packing winds with speeds of 155 to 165 kilometers per hour, gusting to 190 kilometers an hour. After the landfall ended around midnight, the weather office downgraded the storm from extremely severe to very severe. It later said in a tweet that the cyclone was weakening further. Remember, the cyclone also impacted the Maharashtra coastline yesterday and 6 people died and 9 were injured as the storm brushed past Maharashtra. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray took a review of the damage caused by the cyclone. Well, let's go across to Divya now for more on the cyclone. And Divya, the cyclone made landfall yesterday evening and it completed the landfall by midnight. Now the weather office says it is weakening. Give us the details.
Absolutely, Gargi. The weather system has caused enough damage as far as the coastline of Gujarat is concerned. Currently, it's close to Amreli and it is affecting Gujarat, Saurashtra as well as Diu at the moment. It's going to continue to affect the coastline. In fact, lots of showers expected in the area. Heavy showers are in store for the area over the next 5 to 6 hours. In fact, it will now weaken further, but it will continue to affect areas of Rajasthan and in turn recurve and cause rainfall even in the northern part of the country. So when we talk about the northwest plains, here we can expect some showers. So very heavy showers expected in Rajasthan. However, the magnitude of that storm that has weakened and it's going to continue to weaken further. It will be a depression while it will be over Rajasthan while it continues to move, and that is when this weather system that would have weakened further will cause heavy to very heavy showers. The damage that we can expect could be again uprooting of trees, and you know how the kind of damage that we saw which it caused towards other parts before it made landfall towards Gujarat. But heavy showers are expected in the region and it will cause rainfall even in the northern part of the country. So Gargi, if this weather system had come a little later, it would have impacted the arrival of the monsoon, which usually comes in around the 1st of June. This time around, the IMD officer said that monsoon is expected to arrive on the 31st of this month. And had this weather system been delayed to next week, then the arrival of monsoon would have been affected. However, now monsoon will continue to arrive on the 31st of May. For now, heavy showers are expected in adjoining areas of, in fact, Saurashtra, Diu, Gujarat as well as Rajasthan. Gargi?